I think I'm gonna grab the 22 and do a little bit of hunting. See these patches of willows right here? That's what I'm looking for. The moose have been coming along and biting the tips off the willows. That's the part you can eat, is the tip. So if you find a spot where there's lots of tips low to the ground, you'll find rabbits and ptarmigan. Oh, I could hear one. There's a ptarmigan right up there. All right, let's go see if we can find him. Whole flock just landed right up there. That didn't go as planned. I think I'll go the rest of the way on foot. Oh, look at it. Just tons of them. With all that strong sunlight coming in at an angle, you can see those white birds on the snow from way far away. Tell you what, this has been fun, but the sun's starting to get low, and I'm really far from camp. All these clouds just started rolling in. It makes it hard to see the path and the ups and the downs, and it makes it really hard to hunt ptarmigan. Made it back before sunset.